welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW. It's the 520D Luxury. It's got a lot of extras on it. Finished in titanium silver, front park distance control, diamond cut alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear, sunroof as well. That's very rare in a BMW. Rear park distance control, twin exhausts. Really is in lovely condition. Struggling to find any real marks on it, to be fair, for its age. Electric tailgate, our boot. It's all operating nice and smoothly. Boot area's been well looked after. Full leather interior with a little luxury logo there. A lovely wood effect. There's just no wear on it whatsoever. All the buttons, electric windows, mirrors, partial electric seats. No wear on the bolsters. Auto headlights. It's only done 85,929 miles, very low mileage. Just started up. No warning lights will go off. Sounds absolutely lovely. Cruise control, satellite navigation, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, full media pack, DAB radio, different driving styles, sport, comfort, electric tilt side sunroof, all working lovely. Centre armrest, aux and a USB. All the paperwork's in there. Lovely car, great value for money. At DJH provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.